Now let's take a look at OneCNC Lathe. Incorporating the same intuitive CAD provided within all OneCNC systems, geometry can easily be created within OneCNC or imported from third-party CAD systems. Geometry can consist of wireframe, solids, or surfaces. Applying toolpath is made easy by OneCNC's wizard-driven menus. Simply select the machining operation and fill out the parameters. Powerful features include smart boundaries for recognizing castings and forgings, high-speed turning, CAN cycles, comprehensive tool libraries, material libraries, setup sheets, and much more. In regards to OneCNC lathe disciplines, let's start with 2-axis lathe. OneCNC 2-axis lathe provides the ability to easily apply OD and ID toolpath to part geometry, providing efficient toolpath for rough, finish, bore, groove, thread, face, and part-off machining operations. OneCNC C-axis provides the powerful ability to incorporate live tooling to generate both radial and axial toolpaths. CNC code can be output in both polar and non-polar formats. OneCNC Y-axis further extends the capability of live tooling, allowing the tool to generate toolpath away from centerline. OneCNC's powerful B-axis provides the ability to generate toolpath using tools mounted at various angles. Regardless of the machining discipline, OneCNC has the correct CAD CAM for your requirements. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we do look forward to hearing back from you.